In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab steel tow roller. Begin by pressing a plastic bearing, part 7, into the outside of each hitch tube. Then insert a 5/32 inch hair cotter pin, part 12. Now slide on a 1-inch flat washer, part 6, onto the end of the roller shaft. Then slide on a medium spacer, part 3. Next, align a hitch tube, part 2. Now slide on a 1-inch washer, part 6, and secure it with a 5/32 inch hair cotter pin, part 12. On the other side, insert a 5/32 inch hair cotter pin, part 12. Now slide on a 1-inch flat washer, part 6. Then slide on a medium spacer, part 3. Next, align a hitch tube, part 2. Now slide on a 1-inch washer, part 6. Secure it with a 5/32 inch hair cotter pin, part 12. Then loosely secure the ends of the hitch tubes with two 5/16 by 3-inch bolts, part 8. And two 5/16 inch lock nuts, part 10. Do not tighten it yet. Now insert a 5/16 by 3-inch bolt, part 8, and loosely secure it with a 5/16 inch lock nut, part 10. Do not tighten it yet. Next, loosely assemble the hitch brackets to the hitch tubes using 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch bolts, part 4. And 5/16 inch lock nuts, part 10. Do not fully tighten them yet. Then fully secure the hitch tubes. Next, fully secure the hitch brackets. Now install the hitch pin, part 9, and secure it with the hair cotter pin, part 5. Now adjust the plug size by twisting the handle, then lock the plug in by flipping down the handle. Repeat for the other side.